Hi, my name is Jared. The Global Citizen was founded in 2015 with the goal of addressing a gap in the co-curricular education market. Since 2015, we've impacted more than 7,800 students from 12 countries. And we founded the Global Citizen with the goal of imparting skills development on the 4 C's: speaking confidently, writing creatively, thinking critically, and working collaboratively. And through these 4 C's, we hope to empower students to become global citizens that will make impactful change in their communities. And in our model, we have also used the SDGs as a learning model that would help students to better understand the complexity of the global problems around them. My colleagues and I will be talking about different aspects of our work, and we'll be very happy to let you learn more about what we do at the Global Citizen.
At the Global Citizen Education Group, we have a range of programs in order to really maximize the learning experiences of our students. Our 3 main program types would be, first of all, 2 to 3 day programs, and then also regular school programs and summer camp programs as well. Our 2 to 3 day workshops are intended to target the learning experience for students who don't have that large amount of time in order to be able to go through the experience, to be able to understand the sustainable development goals, as well as the ways in which they can, as young people, be empowered to help address these issues. Our fuller regular school programs are targeted for a longer time period, but we've broken down into 1 week lessons in a way that helps the information become more digestible, more bite-sized, but still also ultimately presenting the end goal of providing students with the 21st century skills and knowledge that will enable them to actually make an impact. Our last program type would be our summer programs. So our summer camp programs are designed to be 5-day experiences that are a little bit more intensive in terms of the learning experience, because we try to target more on the different ranges of social issues, getting students to relate it to their local context, and then also to create environments for them to be able to work collaboratively and develop their own initiatives to address these issues. In terms of our pedagogy, what we do at the Global Citizen Education Group is that we create these learning experiences that are not just interactive, but also project-driven, project-based. And this creates these opportunities for students to be able to understand ways in which they can be empowered in order to make a difference, but doing it through something that is student-led, something that allows them to learn through that process of creation and then ultimately refining it along the way. And this experiential learning method better allows them to understand their strengths and their weaknesses and be able to work more collaboratively in a group setting with a larger and more diverse group of people. In terms of the outcomes of our learning experiences, what we really try to do is to have it project-based, where students will, at the end of their experience, present to us a project idea that they think could help benefit civil society in a capacity as a young person or in their capacity as volunteers for different organizations. And to do that, what we try to do is to instill our 4 C skills, which would be thinking critically, writing creatively, speaking confidently, and working collaboratively. In these 4 C skills, students would then be better prepared in order to go into their futures and be able to lead change.
So we're all about providing access to high-quality co-curricular education, and to that end, we've been hard at work putting together our very own online learning platform through a combination of pre-recorded videos playable on demand, online reading materials, and a wide variety of interactive webinars. We've prepared a series of courses ranging from debate to drama to career development, and of course our SDG courses. This way, even if our learners are unable to attend our in-person courses, perhaps due to geographical barriers or the current lockdowns imposed by the pandemic, they still have access to all the materials and resources that they need to continue learning and make advancements towards becoming a global citizen. The Global Citizen Academy is an virtual campus, and this means that students and trainers have ample opportunity to bounce ideas or share feedback with one another. And this ensures that we don't lose out on the collaboration aspect, even as all our materials or our programs are brought online. In the coming future, we are really excited to bring in new features such as 360-degree videos or one-to-one coaching sessions. And we believe that this will really help to increase the immersive experiences of our students and help us achieve better and faster results in terms of these learning objectives.